Learn English to Gujarati connectors, and, but, or, because, then, first, after that, still.
Ane.
2.
Haju.
Welcome to Tiny Powerful Words. Hey, you are about to learn some of the smallest Gujarati words with the biggest social lives. They connect ideas, save awkward silences, and make you sound much more natural. Today your starcast is, and equals.
Ane.
But equals.
Pan.
Or equals.
Athwa.
Because equals.
Karan ke.
Then equals.
Pachi.
First equals.
Pehla.
After that equals.
Te pachi.
And still equals.
Haju.
Tiny words, huge power. A silly story at the tea stall. Let's jump into a funny little scene. Listen for the connector words and imagine everything dramatically, as if this tea stall deserves an award-winning soundtrack. I walked to a tea stall and asked for tea.
Athwa.
Coffee. The shopkeeper said, "Why choose? We have tea."
Ane.
Coffee. I said, "Wonderful.
Pan.
I only have enough money for one." He smiled.
Karan ke.
He had heard this tragedy before.
Pehla.
He gave me tea.
Pachi.
He gave me a biscuit.
Te pachi.
He asked, "Are you happy now?" I said, "I am."
Haju.
Thinking about the coffee. Word by word, like a friendly drill sergeant. Now you will meet each word clearly and simply. No shouting, no push-ups, just repetition with style. The Gujarati word for an is.
Ane.
Think of joining two things, tea.
Ane.
Coffee. The Gujarati word for but is.
Pan.
It turns the sentence. I wanted tea.
Pan.
I bought coffee. The Gujarati word for is.
Athwa.
It offers a choice, tea.
Athwa.
Coffee? The Gujarati phrase for because is.
Karan ke.
It gives the reason. I smiled.
Karan ke.
The biscuit was free. The Gujarati word for then is.
Pachi.
One action follows another. We ate.
Pachi.
We talked. The Gujarati word for first is.
Pehla.
Start here.
Pehla.
Listen. The Gujarati phrase for after that is.
Te pachi.
It continues the sequence. Finish this.
Te pachi.
Do the next thing. The Gujarati word for still is.
Haju.
It means something continues. I am.
Haju.
Waiting. Mini dialogues you can actually use. Let's make these words sound alive. Repeat after each line if you want, or just nod wisely like a language learning philosopher. A. Do you want bread?
Ane.
Fruit? B. Yes, please. A. The plan is good. B.
Pan.
It is expensive. A. Tea.
Athwa.
Coffee? B. Tea, please. A. Why are you late? B.
Karan ke.
The bus was slow. A. What now? B. Eat first.
Pachi.
Leave. A. What should I do? B.
Pehla.
Wash your hands. A. And next? B.
Te pachi.
Sit down. A. Is the shop open? B. Yes, it is.
Haju.
Open. Memory tricks with too much drama. A little exaggeration helps memory. So yes, we are now using cinema-level nonsense for education. Imagine.
Ane.
As a tiny bridge connecting two giant samosas. Imagine.
Pan.
As a dramatic plot twist with thunder in the background. Imagine.
Athwa.
At a crossroads where one sign says tea and the other says coffee. Imagine.
Karan ke.
As a detective pointing at the clue and shouting, "Aha, the reason." Imagine.
Pachi.
As the next stair on a staircase. Imagine.
Pehla.
As a giant golden number 1. Imagine.
Te pachi.
As the next box on a checklist. Imagine.
Haju.
As a clock that keeps ticking while you are still waiting. Quick challenge round. Time for a tiny quiz. No pressure. If you get one wrong, pretend it was a bold artistic choice. What is an in Gujarati?
Ane.
What is but in Gujarati?
Pan.
What is are in Gujarati?
Athwa.
What is because in Gujarati?
Karan ke.
What is then in Gujarati?
પછી,
What is first in Gujarati?
પહેલા,
What is after that in Gujarati?
તે પછી,
What is still in Gujarati?
હજુ,
Build your own sentences. Now you are not just listening. You are building. Very soon you will be connecting ideas like a tiny bilingual engineer. Say, tea.
અને,
Coffee. Say, I am tired.
પણ,
I will continue. Say, bus.
અથવા,
Walk. Say, I stayed home.
કારણ કે,
It was raining. Say, finish your work.
પછી,
Call me. Say,
પહેલા,
think. Say,
તે પછી,
speak. Say, I am.
હજુ,
Learning. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned words that quietly hold whole sentences together. Today you practiced.
અને, પણ, અથવા, કારણ કે, પછી, પહેલા, તે પછી,
And.
હજુ.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, make your own silly sentences, and come back soon for more English to Gujarati fun.